We just came from the hospital because someone is feeling under the weather, and she is craving for a good, cheap, Middle Eastern.
Not only cheap, but
Tasty? Fast and tasty, oh.
and something not dry. Where are we?
We are in Karama. This is predominantly Indians and Pakistani, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero dito sa Dubai, Dera, Filipino, Satwa, Filipino, Riga, no? Then Karama, meron naman kasi actually mga Filipino kahit saan talaga. Pero napansin ko, marami talagang Indian and Pakistani restaurants dito. So anyways, meron akong pinuntahan dito last time. Ako lamang isa. Kasi bago ko siya i-share sa inyo. Maganda muna na tikman natin para hindi tayo pahiya. Yeah, so meron mga ibang restaurants na kala ko masarap, na vlog ko na. And then, hindi pala masarap. So, you know, wag na. Kasi, di ba, hanap buhay rin ang tao yun. Ito siya. Yung, let's park here. Yung may blue na sign. This one.
Andamyati?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
I think so. Alam mo na masarap kasi marami kumakain. Okay, tingin-tingin kung ano in-order nila. Dito rin ako umupo nung last. Yung part na yan, yung part na may mga babae. Do we need to sit there? Kasi babae. Okay. May mga ibang lugar talaga dito na very traditional, which is good. There's lamb chops, there's kebabs, then they have, ako na mag-order.
Yes.
Okay. Kinuha namin yung chicken kebab and lamb kebab. It's 30 dirhams for the chicken kebab. Magkano yung 30 dirhams? And lamb kebab 30. Gusto ko sana mag-order ng lamb chops pero kotang-kota na ako sa lamb chops.
It's around 500 pesos.
Oh, okay. Wag na natin i-convert kasi yun nga, when you earn in dirhams or in dollars, you also when you spend in dollars or dirhams, you also earn in dollars and dirhams. And gusto ko pa sana mag-lamb chops kaso lang medyo mahal, 50 dirhams. And kota-kota na ako sa lamb. Dami ko nang kinain na lamb chops this week. Meron kayong ganun na ordered already. Meron kayong ganun na pag minsan meron akong week na fried chicken lang kinakain ko. Meron akong week na steak lang. This week or the past 2 weeks, it's been lamb. What's this again, brother?
Green sauce is best.
Green sauce, spicy, right? And lemon? Lemon.
Green chili.
Green chili. Is there vinegar? No.
Yeah.
Is there vinegar here? No.
No.
No. And this is hummus. Yung ginagawa ko, babe, nahalo ko to, humingi ako ng extra. Tapos ginagawa kong to, hinalo ko dito. So, and ito, para yun yung dressing niya. Para tipid. I ate here the other day. Okay, hindi niya ako narinig.
The hot sauce is really good. Hindi parang siyang pang Pilipino kasi maasim.
Chicken and lamb. And it's really good. You're gonna like this because maraming onions. Which, hilig mo rin.
Lamb first. It looks good.
Put some of the onions. And then, yung onions na yan, lagyan mo ng konting version mo of asuka. Yep. And then go for it.
Spoon na.
Yun nga eh.
Or parang nakita ko mga tao na
Hindi,
kamay.
kamay sila eh. For 30 bucks, di ba? Try the chicken. Chicken looks fresh too. Uy, parang masarap rin yung shawarma nila. Oh. I mean, from here pala makikita mo na hindi siya dry eh. And then the suka.
Sarap talaga ng soup.
Hindi nga suka yan eh.
Okay, sorry. Whatever.
Chili sauce. So which do you prefer?
Sarap din yung chicken.
Which would you order?
Both? Maybe lamb pa rin.
Yeah, same. Can you give me a spoon? Pero we can ask for, if the lady's there, can you ask for a food? Ito, okay. Extra olive oil. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, like that. And I'm gonna put more olive oil. And then the chili. Pero kailangan talaga natin ng spoon ng tinidor. Pag kumakain ka ng beef stick, masarap talaga may onions. Na hindi siya caramelized. Yung saktong luto lang. Hindi, not so sweet, not so hilaw. Amoy mo yung charcoal. Anghang. Yung lalaki sa likod natin sa meeting. Tapos yung action, Filipino. No? Up. This one, lamb. Oh, let's try the chicken actually. Chicken's good too. It's a good mix of like ground chicken.
Breaking it down and building it back.
How do you like it so far?
Well, like what I said earlier, pumunta na ako dito before to test it. Now, you know, I went here nung gabi. This is better today. So, will I come back? Yes. Is it value for money? Extremely, yes. Is there such a word?
Yeah.
Okay. $30. You know, pwede. And then may side salad, may bread. So,
Hummus.
I looked it up. It's an Egyptian restaurant. Pero kami, yun nga, we've only been here for going on 5 years. And there's still so many to unravel when it comes to Arabic cuisine. So we can't differentiate yet what is the difference between an Egyptian kebab and a Iraqi kebab, you know. Pero I believe konti lang yung... Hindi, sorry, let me rephrase it. I believe there's a lot of similarities. May mga notes lang. So, yeah.
For me, the one differentiating factor for me is this bread. It's very distinct. I have not tried anything like it in all the Arabic restaurants we've eaten. It has characteristics of a pandesal. It has crumbs. But it doesn't taste like a pandesal.
And it's, parang
Diba?
mas piluwi siya.
Hindi siya, usually hindi ganyan eh, diba?
Normally hindi siya, normally manipis siya.
Oo.
Ito makapal and may bounce.
Oo. Yeah.
Which is, delikado talaga to kasi masarap, malinamnam. So, ayaw na, wag na. I'm trying to just wait.
Baka gusto yan ni Finn, so
Ayun, take out
uwi
na.
ko sa kanya yan.
So I think what makes it tasty and unique are the spices na nilagay. Hindi siya dinaan sa chicken powder or dinaan siya sa spice and dinaan rin siya sa yung mixture of the meat and the freshness because I think they're so busy and they've been doing this for a long time. It looks like an institution restaurant. So
We should ask our Egyptian friend.
yeah. Pero, I mean, if it's a fast-moving item, then they make it every day. Yun na lang. I guess also, yun, tip sa pag kumakain ka sa restaurant. Or always order the best sellers, especially pag first time na. Kasi sure yan, yun nga, fast moving. So madalas siyang ginagawa. Versus sa may mga items talaga na slow moving and tagal na siya nakatenga. So hindi na rin siya wala na siya sa peak niya, so to speak. Ngayon ko lang naalala, I completely forgot to pay for parking. Dito kasi sobrang higpit sila sa may Romoronda, pero sana naka-lunch break yung Romoronda. Okay, hazard. Last time sa lahat ng mga taga Dubai and Abu Dhabi and UAE, makarelate kayo sa fines, di ba? Sana walang fine. Imagine, yung 60 dirhams naming meal, magiging 360 dirhams. Mga 300 yung fine eh, right? Ganyan itsura ng mga Egyptian. Medyo mistisuhin, thick eyebrows, basta may certain look.